everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, my heart. Emoji face that sparkle star. Subscribe. We have 3, possibly 4 different crafts. So there's literally probably 1 item from the Dollar Tree in here, and the rest is all from Shein. Okay, let me show you what we got. Okay? The thing that's going to take the longest is I'm going to do a bandana wreath with the happy wife, happy life. These are like dad-themed bandanas. I'm going to use the square. Okay, so this is going to take a little while because I have to tie all those. The second thing that I got is a really cute bin, but I'm going to use this license plate. I'm going to sit here and it becomes like a craft box, not a craft box, but you use it as a toolbox or something. It is a super cute box for, you know, dad use. And then the last item that I got was a super cute dad wooden, it is like 3D in here. You can stick your finger in here, but it's cute dad wooden. And then I got some picture frames. So I'm gonna make a dad picture frame with one. I did get some ribbon that says dad. Originally I was gonna do something with ribbon on here, but I think it'll look silly because I thought this sign was bigger. This pack did come with 2 of these picture frames. So I'm thinking about doing the ribbon with the second picture frame, and that will be where the 4th one comes in. And we're gonna go on to the dad sign because this is just hot glue in it. So, got these picture frames on Shein. Look how cute they are. These are 6x8 picture frames. Shein, I am literally just going to glue this on like that, and that's what this is going to be. Just a regular picture frame. The ray matches. You put the picture up here. Your dad. I'm going to try to eye where I need to put the glue. I'm not even with this. It just sits up like this. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. How cute. And it's like super like 3D wood, so it's like nicely made. How cute is that? I'm like in love with this picture frame right now. I'm so in love with this picture frame right now. Now this is the only Dollar Tree thing that we have is the wreath. But this is all about just tying, so you're going to have to give me a minute to tie. I have to cut some of these down. I don't know if I'm going to use all these. But, you know, I'm going to glue this on last. I love this though, happy wife, happy life. I think it's cute. I got extra packs, so I didn't know if I was going to need them. I'll save them for something else. But I'm going to only do 1 pack at a time. 1 pack comes with, again, this is from Shein. It comes with 2, 4, 6, let me count them. We have to cut these in half to tie them on. And literally that's all it is to do this bandana race. So we're doing 3 or 4 crafts in one, right? You're getting it. I think there's 4 of each color in here. 1, 2, 3, yeah. So there's 3 different colors with 4 of each color. So there's the blue, the gray and white, and the brown version. So we're gonna just alternate the colors all the way around. So I don't know how many of these I'm gonna need, but I do know I need to cut each of them in half, exactly in half to do this. So I'm just gonna cut them all in half. So you do is you open it up and you kind of like, you like this. And then you leave a thing, but this is actually not big enough. Okay, I'm gonna have to do what I thought I had to do. I'm gonna have to go around and double up. Is what it is. Yep. Wrong way. Okay, I'm just seeing how this looks. Oh, that'll look good. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it like that. I'll just cover 2 and then 1 all the way around, so it like kind of sticks out like that. But I'm gonna go in order all the way around first, and I'll come back in and do the middle. So I want to offset the colors. rag wreath. Done. All right, this looks so cool. It's definitely fluffy. Fluff it out. Cool. Now we're gonna put the sign on. Think. What do you guys think? Happy wife, happy life. That's so cute. Alright, well, this dad craft is done. Happy wife, happy life. Woo! Yes, I'm going to do this box now. I'm just going to flatten this out because it did come smushed from Shein. Alright, so the other thing that we got, I'm gonna make a cute little ribbon with this really pretty like beige, navy blue, and then I've got Best Dad Ever and We Heart Dad ribbon. So I was just gonna make something small with this to go on this other picture frame, probably in the top right corner maybe. So I'm just waiting for the hot glue gun to heat up. I guess when we do that, let's go ahead and do the bow. Go ahead and do the ribbon. Let's go ahead and do the ribbon. Alright, I'm just gonna make a little ribbon with this. I think I might do the white instead of the black. Actually, we'll do both. When it hangs, that's what it's going to look like. We Heart Dad. About as good as I'm gonna get it because it's not wanting to work with me like I was hoping it was gonna do, so we're just gonna roll with that. Did it. All right, last one to do. We're just going to super glue this onto the toolbox for Dad. Super cute. Little toolbox. All right, guys, let's show you the finalized products. that will be up for grab. We've got the Best Dad toolbox, okay? Then we've got the We Heart Dad, Best Dad Ever bow picture frame, okay? Then we've got the Dad 3D wooden picture frame that we made. And then we've got the Happy Wife, Happy Life wreath. All right, guys.